Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Milk to Go iced coffee. So pretty cool, I've never seen this before and I like a good iced coffee. We'll see how Milk to Go does with their version of it. And Milk to Go is a pretty good brand. They have some protein shakes too that I really like, as well as a bunch of different types of milk that are flavored. They have like Rolo, Oreo, things like that. Pretty cool. So this is an excellent source of protein, calcium. Interesting. Yeah, it is. So per 260 calories in one of these bottles, it comes with 5 grams of fat, 41 carbohydrate with 40 sugar, which is a little bit of a downside, but it does have 14 grams of protein. That's really good for a coffee. And in addition, 280 milligrams of sodium and 750 milligrams of potassium and 500 milligrams of calcium. So it's got some electrolytes in there. Pretty cool. I want to open this up. Made with premium coffee and fresh milk, 1%. There's a little seal on it. I ripped apart. Smells like coffee. Yeah, it's pretty good iced coffee, actually. It's subtle smooth, and it tastes pretty good, honestly. All things considered, I actually really like this coffee drink with 14 grams of protein. It's smooth. It's not like some coffees that you get, like coffees in a can, they're very bitter and they have that coffee taste in them. This one doesn't have that. It is very light and sweet. It tastes really good. Yeah, very smooth. I like that iced coffee. It's enjoyable. I'm actually genuinely surprised by this. It kind of tastes like milk, and that makes sense because it's milk to go. But I didn't expect it to have like a nice coffee flavor too. I'm actually very impressed with this. Yeah, amazing. This is kind of surprising. Like usually coffees from cans or things like that are a little bit bitter and taste not as great, but this one's very flavorful, sweet. It doesn't have any bitterness to it at all. It's more sugary. I think that's reflected with that 40 grams of sugar, but it also has 14 grams of protein, which is pretty nice. So I'd give the Milk to Go iced coffee a 8, yeah, an 8 out of 10. I was thinking 8.5, but an 8. We'll go with an 8. It's really high in sugar, but it does have 14 grams of protein, balancing things out. Nice smooth taste of coffee without all that bitterness that some of them have. Overall, it's pretty good coffee. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.